Hello there everyone, this is Zion Mark III and welcome to this week's mini-series. The name of the game is Production Line, currently available on Early Access via Steam. Though honestly I've had this game since before it was actually on Steam. I first picked it up back when it was available for direct order from just from the developer's website, the early alpha. We're still in alpha, technically, but, you know. It's on Steam, and it's been quite a while since I've touched it, so I got my Steam version, and now we are here to make many, many cars. Well, probably not. There was a slight problem with that, but from what I hear, they have fixed it somewhat. So, let us begin, shall we? I will pick just the standard factory, sandbox modes, sure. Okay, this is new. What should we call ourselves? IO Automotive Industries. Sure. And I have no idea what these various symbols belong to. Let's just pick that one, because it's a 3. 3 is my significant number. Welcome to your first day as a factory manager. These pop-up windows will help explain the game, but only appear once. There is a reset tutorial button in the options screen if you want to see them again later. I've already seen the first few and I hit that reset button, so yeah. I was just making sure it worked properly on this machine before I got started. As factory manager, your job is to design the factory and manage its finances so that you turn a profit and earn vital income for our beloved shareholders. Beloved shareholders, yeah, right. If you run out of money, you will run out of your own job prospects. So keep an eye on your company cash balance at the top right of the screen. Right here underneath my recording readouts. I can't actually see that. Great. I've done it again. Broadly speaking, your roles are to place down new production slots and conveyors to manage production and manage research and pricing. You also remove old slots and you will find yourself doing a lot of retooling of your factory layout as you research new methods of production. First we'll explain how to view your factory. You can zoom the camera in and out using the mouse wheel, page up, page down. So, yeah. Move up around, WSD or cursor. To get started on your factory, you need to place down a whole bunch of production slots in the right order and connect them with conveyor belts. Cars move along production line until they reach the export slot, which places them on the showroom for sale. Click this button to launch the slot picker and start laying out your factory. This window shows all the different options you have for placing new production slots and other facilities within your factory. At the start of the game, not all slots will be available, as they may need to be researched. Hover over the name of a slot to see more information on how much it costs, how much power it produces. Uses, I think that's a typo there, and how many employees come with it. The slot picker shows the slots in the order you need to place them. So chassis assembly, body fitting, painting, engines, accessories, and so on and so forth. Gaps between the slots have to be fitted with conveyor belts. For the first slot, you should probably be the chassis assembly. Click on the highlighted window and then place the slot down in your factory. So here we go. How do I rotate this? There we go. I might as well just put it down for tutorial while I'm at it. So, good work. Now you need to place down the fit body slot. Make sure to place somewhere in front of the previous slots, check the arrows, and you may want to leave a gap of few tiles between the two to allow for later expansion. 2, that's actually just fine. Oh, it just slammed in there, didn't it? To get cars to travel between slots, you need to connect them using conveyor belts. Select conveyor belt tool, then click and drag in the right direction from chassis to body slot. There we go. Right click anywhere on the screen to cancel control, then continue. As well as being connected by conveyor belts, most production slots need a connection to the resource network that imports resources to the factory. To get started, zoom out until you see a potential slot for a resource importer and place one down. Well, that's one right here. It's just a little window, basically. They just load stuff from outside the factory in through a window. Now I need to drag the connection from the resource importer to the stockpiles of each of the slots. Then you should have a working, running production line. Not really, I'm still missing a few minor bits and pieces, but, you know. There we go. Continue placing slots to complete the full production line and begin exporting cars. If you need to rotate any slots, you can use the R key or the middle mouse button. Thank you. As you can see, it is now loading parts in, and once the parts get there, the line starts to assemble. Yes. Anyway, let's continue. We need to get things going. Let's see, chassis requires 12 minutes. Fit body takes over twice as long, so we might as well get an additional one. Let's put this down here. So I'm already starting to go off the rails slightly. But there we go. Don't know why I did an extra one there, but that's okay. And now that there's a split in there, it will alternate where it goes. But since these take twice as long, that is absolutely fine. So that takes 12, that takes 31, this takes 34, so painting is also a long one. So let's go ahead and put in 2 paint bays as well. There we go. Then of course we need the conveyors. Then we've got the engine fitting, which is 22 minutes. Still kind of slow. So let's once again go for double engine fitting bays. I know we're not leaving blocks here for future expansion, but it's as it said, we need to retool things quite a bit. 14 minutes, 12 minutes. That'll slow down slightly, but we only need 1 accessory fitter, so let's just do that. This is in no way a maximum efficiency thing. I just need another conveyor set. There we go. So yeah, as you can see, they are being put together, and now they're rolling forward into the painting bays. The painting bays will just take care of random colour assignments, though I did spot when I was poking around earlier that we can actually manually tell it what colours to use. But anyway, we've got accessories coming in. Do we have any electronics? Let's pop in an electronics bay, which is a 2-minute timer. And connect it. Production slot details. The window shows detailed information on car production slots. You will likely click these from time to time to see what is holding up production, or maybe to see what resources are being imported and consumed by the slot. The upgrades tab at the bottom of the window also gives access to the upgrades capabilities of the slot. Extra robots, in-car music, premium music, premium, voice recognition, sat-nav, Bluetooth, predictive stock control. What? What's that? I have no idea what that might be. But okay, anyway. You guys still doing okay? You're doing okay, right. We need to get this hooked up to an export though. So, we need a quality check and an export slot. Export slot is, as you can see, it's one of these open doorways here. And the quality check takes 5 minutes, but it checks over the machine before sending it to the export slot. So there we go. We did build the electronic slot, but we don't have any electronics. And that is a completed vehicle supply chain. Yay! This is as far as the game goes. Huzzah! Thank you for watching, and goodbye. No, not really. No, it can go a little bit deeper than this, and you can definitely tool things up a lot better. Anyway, to do that, we need research. So let's go into this next tab over, research. To carry out any research, you need to place down 1 or more research facilities. You'll find them inside the facilities folder at the slot picker main menu. Okay. So slot picker. Where is it? Oh, facilities. Research office. Okay. And a new loan is available from the bank. I don't need a loan, I don't think. I'm okay. just built your first research department. Now we have researchers working for us. It's time to choose where they should concentrate their efforts. To make research go on more rapidly, you might wish to build more and more facilities if funds allow. It'd be nice if I could see at a glance how much money I've got, but, you know. What have we got right now? I have no idea. Cost me 64,000 to put one down. Yeah, let's go with 2 for now, since I don't know what I'm doing. Research. Research screen shows all the different technologies you will need to research to compete in the world of car production. Research costs research points, which are regularly generated by each research facility you have placed. You only research one tech at a time, and you have to pay the researchers wages even when they do not do work. So you should always be working on something. Okay. So here we go. Like specialization, it unlocks further slots to let you further modify and improve your production lines. So body specialization unlocks some more bits there. Paint specialization, and then we've got various upgrades like high pressure nozzles. You can manufacture the different pieces as well in-house. You import more materials. It's cheaper than importing the actual pieces, but you have to splash out to actually get the production running for it. Door spec, so that fits door panels. Then you can make it all as well. But specialization unlocks further slots, so that looks okay. Could improve our research efficiency though. Can't we? I think I'm looking at the wrong advanced production. Servo motor manufacturer makes servos. Makes sensors? What? We could get a power plant production to stop importing power, I suppose. That might be a good idea. What else have we got? We've got basic techs. Airbags. Bull bars. Different upgrades that can fit into different areas of your car. And there's a lot of them. Okay. And car designs. What's this one? Design tech tree works differently than others. Design points are generated by design studios facilities, which you can only place in your factory once you've researched body design. And then you can get access to different car types. I want to try and find that. Where is that? Design studio, you said it was? Design studio? Where is it? Oh, here we go. Body design. Unlocks design studios. Available through administration upgrades. Achieved efficiency awareness award for your building's geared up to greatness. Don't let poor efficiency stall further. Progress. Sustain level 50% production slot utilization for a single hour. Well, this is why I doubled up on a bunch of stuff and apparently I got an achievement for it. Yay! But you know what? Let's actually start to specialize. Why can't I research that? Do I need technologies? Oh, requires 10 cars sold. Oh. Okay. So I need to sell some cars, apparently. Well, let's see. Exporting. Oh, it's waiting for new vehicles quite constantly. Let's check some. Here we go. Here's a button that's lit up. Car stock / sales. This is a list of the cars you have completed production of but have not yet sold. Their prices will vary depending on what features each car has. Having an empty showroom suggests your cars are too cheap, whereas having an overstocked showroom suggests you need to lower your prices. I've only got 2 cars in there, so that looks okay. So I've done basic car performance checks, visual inspection and emission checks. The market. Ooh, this is new. This screen shows you a breakdown of the market demand for each combination of car body style and pricing category. Green boxes show market segments where you have cars on sale. Others are markets you have not yet broken into. You cannot sell cars to everyone until you have car models that fill every combination of style and budget. So I'm only making budget level sedans, 12% market share, sales per hour 1, produced per hour 1, customers per hour 4. Okay. Question is, what's the difference between a normal budget one, a mid-range, expensive, and a luxury? Is it like the total number of thingies? Also, I should mention, by the way, there is a there are AIs in this as well, supposedly. Wrong body style. Oh, the customers keep thinking it's like wrong body style or insufficient features. They're all saying poor value for money. Hey, these are cheap. Super cheapo deluxo. But viewed by 60 people and not been bought though. Most of them are saying insufficient features though. Oh, research. What can I do? I've got electronics bay. I can probably do something about that. So if I do that, then add to the queue to do in-car music. So I will fit these bog standard basic sedans with at least music, you know? They will have music. Yes. Other than that, though, it seems to be like maybe the price isn't good. Discounts? Car lacks universal features. Discount for cars where universal features are missing. Discount for cars with known defects. Let's give a 5% discount for cars that lack universal features. Also, yeah, insufficient features. Oh, look at them. Suddenly they're flying. Oh dear. That 5% discount just threw them out there. Wow. Also, I think I might be overloading this resource importer a little bit. I mean, look at that. It's just waiting for all of this stuff to come in. They have a fixed rate they can bring stuff in, by the way. But actually, that seems to be about right. So one importer's keeping up with this. Okay. One importer's doing that. One. Oop, defects. Known defects. 10% off. What the heck was that defect? Defects affect perceived quality. Here we go. Perceived quality of your cars, which is reduced every time a customer buys a car with a defect. I want to deliver supreme quality, though. Competitors research. Pop at the bottom right of the screen shows that one of your competitors has done some research. They've researched heaters. Oh, they've got in-car heaters. Oh, how cute. As your rivals research car technology, they will become less rare and thus less valuable. Try not to fall too far behind. Okay. Well, I just want some more research. Oh, apparently I can't afford that anymore, so okay. But I've got 3 research companies now. And my income is 77. Wait. Am I going bust a little bit? Don't think so. Research complete. In-car entertainment. Fit electronics. Now, if I recall, I can not do that. Oh wait, is it this one? No. Where does in-car entertainment go? Don't say I've got to build a new bay for it. Don't think so. Or is that... Where is this upgrade? No, I can only install extra robots and things on that. Huh. So it's not in electronics then. How do I install that? Yeah. I know what I'm doing. Excuse me. At least I should know what I'm doing. Not entirely sure what I'm doing, but hey, what can you do? Use per hour 6, customers. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you're just a basic car, aren't you? Oh wait, in-car music. Oh, I've not got it yet. Oh, I've only unlocked entertainment. I've not unlocked the in-car music. That's coming. Competitor's done something else. I can, however, start to do these, so let's add those to the queue. Don't want to do that one. Axle specialization will unlock more slots for more efficiently producing the chassis. In-car music. Oh, they got it before I did. Oh well. I think we could probably sustain having more vehicles than this. The problem is that I've got the chassis assembly running every 13 minutes. Well, this takes 31 minutes to complete. So that's why there's a thing. Maybe I should grab extra robots as well. Maybe that would be a good idea. That should be at the bottom down here, right? Nope, advanced. Jeez. Where's extra robots? Is it under techs? No. Oh, I can make alloy wheels. Awesome. No. I don't know what I'm doing at all. I'm feeling very, very ill-informed at the moment. Oh well. I could probably expand double up my production line up, just churn out basic ones, you know. Oh wait, duh. Add extra production line robots to each slot. Let's put that in before that. Let's add even more robots to that as well. Don't go for robots galore. That's outside my budget at the moment. So I found the robots at least. So add that back in. Yes. 0.3 per minute. But we are running pretty steady right now. But we've still got this big bottleneck going on down here, which is coming from the body fitting stages. Maybe that would be a better one to tech into. I don't know. Markets 68%. Still got good brands. Oh, there's less. There are some customers looking for more stuff. Oh, rivals have researched cruise control. The robots are taking over. The machines are coming to take over all of this. But yeah, I'm going to have to call it there because we are at the 20-odd minute mark. So, this has been I Am Mark 3. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed the show. And I'll catch you all some other time, where hopefully I'll make a bit more progress. And hopefully I'm doing a little bit better, but I don't know. Ooh, power steering. They're doing things way better than I am. Jeez. But yeah, see you all later.